Liquor bottles pour, semi-autos roar. Seems all we wants to score. Negroes, Caucasians, Vatos, whores. Can't forget about the Saint Lead and lately saying want me to think that can't be me. My back's against the wall, my guard's up to the world these days. Float like a butterfly, like I'm Cassius Clay. Prevailing Finney to the 3-time. Ever since knee high was nothing but me mugs and free slaves when we get low and lift them high. Spit flows for El Shaddai. Expose the devil's lies and impose to improvise. This little light of mine, Jesus, is putting wisdom in my mind. I need it. He put a battery in my back, a motor that ticks with a desire to aid the homeless, orphan, hurting, and sick. All hail to the Rose of Sharon, who took those who don't care if they sin and turned them to the fairest of men.
And I will follow for all of my days, today and tomorrow. Show me the way. I've been high, I've been low, been denied within souls. Senseless pride has been stole. Thank God His mercy has been shown. Life's a struggle till your last day. Lord knows we're living in the last days. Let's bow our heads with our hands raised. Lift His name until every woman and man say, and I will follow for all of my days, today and tomorrow.